Everyone getting my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In this session, we'll be discussing how to set up the project and user preferences. Okay. Before entering exactly into this
Okay, sir.
Primavera project handling, we need to discuss about this. Which are what are the basic hurdles every project engineer will be undergoing while handling a project management software. So I have listed some of the hurdles that every project planning manager will be suffering with. Those are this different start and date time, fractured duration, fractured labor cost, fractured labor units, wrong resource assignment. If you would not do these things, initial settings in Primavera, these are the hurdles that we will face at the time of scheduling of the project. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, because I'll explain in brief. See, I have mentioned different start date and time. That is, if we are not able to put the right time management and date initially in this Primavera tool, we may get different start and different time at the time of scheduling. See, for example, I want to complete the project by September 10th, but if I was not able to put the initial data correctly, then I would get the wrong result that I may complete the specified project on 15th of this month. That is, fractured duration may happen. We need to incorporate and we need to give inputs in the terms of cost and units here. That is, we need to specify the cost and units of resources. What are the three types of resources that we are having?
Labor, non-labor.
Yes. What is the third one?
Man, machine, and money.
Okay, fine. You just think of and I'll go forward. Okay. Wrong resource assignment. If I assign the resource in a wrong way, that is, consider if I want to cure the columns in a span of 14 to 15 days, if I assign, for example, see, I will be allocating 300 rupees per BISTI, that is the person who will cure the columns. Everyone getting my words?
Yes, sir.
See, if I assign a labor costing of around 600 rupees per day in that duration, the project cost will be doubled, right? Of that activity,
Yes, sir.
because
Yes,
the
sir.
price, the cost of BISTI is around 300 rupees. The cost of this labor, other labor, considered a masonry work. Okay, his labor will be around 600 to 700. If I assign labor in place of BISTI, that is, BISTI is the person who will secure this one columns and any of the curing part. Okay, in those cases, the entire project will differ, affect in terms of cost. These are the some problems that we come across if you are not able to set the initial project settings and the user preferences correctly. See, and the basic and root causes for these problems are time units, dates, and that is assistance.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
sir.
See, initially we will go with this time units. For example, any of the projects, we do handle some of the project management. We do handle some of the projects in basis of hours, in the basis in terms of days, in terms of months also. But while I was in JSW, we used to handle the projects in terms of days as well as months. See, now in this initial settings, we will be having some units format, that is time units. That is, these two are the main thing. That is unit of time. We will usually keep it for day in duration format. we'll keep the unit of time as day. And coming to decimal part, we'll go up to 2 decimals, because if we are affecting with any of the fractures, in the last slide I have explained you, we'll be having a fracture duration, fracture labor cost, fracture labor units. In the same way, if we want to understand it, if we want to perceive these fractures, so that we can go for 2 decibels, that will be clearly defined what amount of what quantum of fractures that we may get in the project. See, this is the thing, initially I want to explain you, and you will be cleared on these things when I go to software. Got it? Got
Okay,
it?
sir.
Okay, fine. See, next we'll go to
Okay,
date
sir.
settings. Date settings. In this date settings, we are going to this day, month, and year. This is the usual format that we will follow, right?
Yes, sir.
Day, month, and year. This is also an important setting, because the entire project will be scheduled on this manner. Coming to time, usually we will go for 12 hours. 12 hours slab, where Primavera will consider 12 a.m. is the default start time of any of the project. Got it? Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
This
sir.
this might be interview question
Okay,
for
sir.
you guys. What is the default setting? Default
Okay,
default start time of Primavera. Coming to third one,
For
here we are having some assistance part. See, in this assistant part, we are having some wizards. Use new resources wizard as well as use new activity wizard. Here I have been highlighted these two things. But as we are freshers, as you guys are freshers, you need to add new resources for this project, right?
Yes.
There
yes,
will
sir.
be some inbuilt resources. Along with that, if you have any other new resources, yeah, you want to add those resources as a new resource in this Primavera, so that you don't no need to uncheck these two things. It will not consider if you uncheck these two. Got it? Up to this, shall we practice in Primavera?
Okay, sir.
See, I'll show you
Yes,
now.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this page is familiar for you guys. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
See, for those settings, we'll need to go for, see, if you want to understand, if you want to practice later, you can write a flow chart how I will follow these things. Go to edit, go to user preferences. Here you have time units, right?
Yes.
In this time units, here we will be having hour, day, week, month, and year according to your project, whatever it may be. Usually, if you work on extremely labor basis, we will go for hours. Is it or not?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
If we go for a temporary project, that may complete within a week or within 15 days. Usually, in those cases, we will go for format in a week. If a project is completing within 10 months, 11 months, we will go in a format month. If a project will may take around 5 years, 6 years, we will go in the format of year. Usually, and a regular practice that we will go for day. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got
Okay,
it?
sir.
Or do you want me to repeat?
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Do you want me to repeat?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
I
sir.
hope I hope it's these are the initial easy settings. Okay. See, coming to duration
Sir.
format, here also the same thing what I have discussed with you earlier in the units format. Here also we'll go for the day thing. Coming to decimal part, we'll be having 0 decimals also. For getting exact fractures, if we go for the 2 decimals, see, if a fracture is in terms of minutes, then the regular time will be 5 hours. If a fracture is in terms of 30 minutes, 40 minutes, then it will be available in the project schedule, so that it is visible. For that part, we'll go for regular 2 decimals in the project management part. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Here also 2 decibels, the same reason, 10.06. Okay, fine. Next, coming to dates part. See, the regular format that we use is day, month, and year. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Then
sir. Okay,
coming to
sir.
time, we will go for 12 hours.
12 hours.
Got it? Fine.
Okay,
Next,
sir.
coming to assistance part, see here we have wizards, use new resource wizard and new activity wizard. We need to check this one because we need to, as you guys are freshers, you need to add new resources and all. For that part, it must be checked and go for close. Got it? Everyone got it? These initial
Okay,
settings.
sir. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
These
sir.
are the minimum and basic initial settings for the Primavera.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes,
Okay.
Okay, sir.
What we'll do is we'll just go to calendars next. See. See, these calendars are very important in Primavera. Why we use calendar regularly? Any answers?
Credits.
To know about date and day.
Yes, regular for regular use that we use calendars for the purpose what Shri Tarun told. But in Primavera, we'll be having the three types of calendars and three pools. That is a global pool, resource pool, and project pool. Before entering into that, we want to know about this prominence of this calendars. Calendar is very prominent constant in project because scheduling is based on the calendar. Consider we'll be having
Yes, sir.
Sundays in the calendar. We'll be having government holidays,
Yes,
and we will be having
Yes,
some
sir.
exemptions because you see in some of the construction industries they'll perform this Vishwakarma Puja as a whole day. They'll be having leave for and they, as a whole day they'll be having holiday for employees and workers. Those activities must be
yes, sir.
incorporated in calendars. Okay, if we consider
Okay. Okay.
a project is going on in Karnataka, we usually take holidays for Deepavali. We usually take holidays for Ganapati festival, and we usually take holidays for Yugadi. In the same case, if we go for Tamil Nadu, we need to give holidays for Onam,
Yes, sir.
right? There are few more
Hmm?
holidays. Those must be considered according to the statewide. According to that scenario, we need to schedule our calendars. Got it? Why we are using calendars here? If we are doing a
Okay,
project
sir.
in New York, then we have to consider the entire December month for as a holiday. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. For those cases, we need to consider these calendars are very important. As we are sitting in India, if we get a project from US, if we get a project from Saudi Arabia, in Saudi Arabia the Ramzan season is very strict. We want to give entire holiday of Ramzan month. Is it or not?
Yes,
For
sir.
Yes,
that
sir.
part, we need to consider this calendar as a very mandatory part in Primavera. It's very important for scheduling. See, in some cases, what we'll do is we'll go for both the Saturday and Sunday week off, and in
Yes,
some
sir.
cases we'll go for, consider in Saudi Arabia they
Yes,
are
sir.
they are having a Friday week off. Even we handle some of the projects of Saudi Arabia. They'll be having the Saturday Friday week off. These are the minimum constraints and minimum things that we have to consider while creating a calendar. The example I'll show in the next session how to create this calendar and all. First, you need to know why calendar is used in Primavera. Got it?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
the types of calendars that we use in Primavera, that is global pool, resource pool, and project pool. You may be scribbling your head. What is this pool, pool, pool? It's just like swimming pool. Okay. See now, we are having three things here. That is global, resource, and project pool. Next, see, we have a project, we have a global pool, that is, we have a EPS called Apex. It's for your understanding. I have took some of the things over here. Under Apex, we are having two projects, that is design as well as construction. Are you getting this slide?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Under this design and construction, we are having three resources total. One is for design, two is for design, and one is for construction. Under design, we are having two activities, that is automotive and aeronautical. And under construction, we have site activities. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is this global pool, project pool, and resource pool? That's the question, right? Now we have a beautiful answer here. In global pool, that we are having Apex as a global pool. In this calendar, we'll be having the entire thing, entire schedule of both projects as well as resources, and activities followed by resources. Got it?
Yes.
In
Yes,
project
sir.
pool, what we'll be having? We'll be having scheduling of, and we'll be having the tasks of, and we'll be incorporating the things of this projects as well as activities. In resource pool, what we will be doing? We will be considering only activities. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Because
Sir, repeat
this
once again.
Primavera is a portfolio management tool. It's not only project, it's not a resource management tool, it's a portfolio management tool. That's why we are considering three calendars here. One is global pool, one is project pool, and another
Okay,
one
sir.
is resource pool. Got it?
So-
Got it, friends?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now,
Okay, sir.
now see, in this part, this calendar part, it's a huge session. It may take around 1 hour session. This part we will be considering in the next session. Coming to next slide, that is WBS. What is WBS?
Work breakdown,
Breakdown
sir.
structure.
Okay, right. See, in this work breakdown structure, we have considered a project, simple project, that is design and construction of a G+1 building. Under this EPS, we will be having two WBS. That is, see, in Primavera, we can take up to WBS 7. The final WBS is called as work package. The above that, up to 6, these are called as deliverables. These are two nomenclatures that you have to remind. Okay, it might be this interview question. What is work package WBS and what are deliverables packages? Got it?
Okay,
Sir.
sir.
Got it, friends? See, now
Yes, sir.
under WBS 1, under deliverable 1, we have a WBS 2, because we are considering WBS 2 as a final package here. For that part, we have considered work. This is as work package. Under WBS 1, we are having planning and designing as examples. These two are the segregates, and these two are the things which comes under planning and design. Coming to construction part, WBS 1, we are going to two sub projects, that is construction up to ground floor, construction from ground floor to first floor. This is a simple project, that is G+1. Under this, what are the things we are marked in the red boxes or maroon boxes? Those are all called as activities. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Comparing
Yes,
this
sir.
slide
Yes,
with
sir.
the calendar slide, which pool will comes in design and construction of G+1 building? You want me to repeat question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Comparing this slide with calendar slide, which pool comes on planning and WBS 1?
WBS.
Project pool, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which pool comes on design and construction of G+1 building? Global pool, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which pool comes for WBS2?
Resource pool.
Yes. Got it? Got an idea?
Sir.
How to match up
Yes, sir.
this WBS with calendars?
Yes, sir.
In the coming classes, I'll let you know how to just segregate and how to differentiate these things in a liberal way. Okay? See?
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Got it? Got those things?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts in this session? What we have discussed today?
No, no,
Any
sir.
doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Sir, can you
No,
explain that pools once again, sir?
One minute. Yes, sir. Let me